Hello guys, welcome back to our channel.
Mr. and Mrs. Pandit.
So again we are back with full movie scene reaction of Loka.
Yes, Loka chapter 1, Chandra.
Yes.
Okay, so let's get started. But usse pehle, if you're new to this channel, guys, please do subscribe us and also please click on the notification bell.
Yes, and also please follow us on Instagram.
Yeah, तो चलो शुरू करते हैं.
Yes.
तुम्हें नींद नहीं आ रही है ना? कहानी सुनाऊं तो नींद आ जाएगी? कौन सी कहानी सुनोगी?
यक्षी की कहानी.
यक्षी की कहानी.
Girls have so much interest in this ghost and this vampire.
साल पहले की बात
I
है.
have
कई हजार साल
sitting
पहले
beside me one.
ये शहर एक विशाल जंगल हुआ करता था. तब यहाँ राजा का शासन था और उस राजा के पास एक विशाल महल था. उस महल के करीब एक मंदिर था. राजा माँ काली का बहुत बड़ा भक्त था. वो मंदिर में रोज पूजा करता था.
आप तो मुझे राजा की कहानी सुना रहे हो.
नहीं, उस घने जंगल में एक लड़की थी जिसकी आंखें बड़ी बड़ी थी. और ये कहानी
Okay.
उसी
Season Loka. Yes.
I think so.
Because they have focused from beginning only on her
But
only.
what is Loka we have not discovered yet, right?
राजा
Chandra.
जब भी मंदिर जाते थे
Her name is.
Okay, yeah,
ये
correct.
बच्ची और उसके दोस्त दूर से उन्हें देखा करते थे.
बच्चे मंदिर में क्यों नहीं जाते थे?
उन्हें उस मंदिर में जाने की इजाजत नहीं थी. केवल राज परिवार और कुछ बड़े लोगों को उस मंदिर में जाने की अनुमति थी. लेकिन वो लड़की और उसके दोस्त एक दिन चुपके से उस मंदिर में घुस गए.
Okay. This village is also having,
Casteism.
yes, that is coming since long, since ages. Upper caste, lower caste, king will not mix with any lower caste people.
देखो ये
पंडित
क्या
जी को
है?
देख के वो भाग रहे थे तो जो घुंघरू उधर से मिला बच्चे के हाथ में रह गया.
भाग भाग. बाप रे, फिर क्या हुआ?
हाँ, फिर उस छोटी बच्ची ने उस घुंघरू को अपनी देवी के पैरों में बांध दिया.
Oh.
ये पता चलने पर राजा को बहुत गुस्सा आया क्योंकि राजा ने कभी सोचा नहीं था कि ये होगा. और बात तो तब बढ़ी जब उन बच्चों ने उस घुंघरू को ले जाकर अपनी देवी के पैरों में बांध दिया. इससे राजा तो आग बबूला हो गया.
उसके बाद
उस गुस्से में आकर राजा ने मंदिर में आग लगा दी.
They are angry, see.
What is this?
जो बच्चे मंदिर में घुसे थे उनको और उनके परिवार को जिंदा जलाने का आदेश दिया.
They wanted to kill this
उन्हें जैसे ही
small
पता चला कि
kids.
राजा उन्हें मारने वाला है तो सब अपनी जान बचाने के लिए गुफा में जाकर छिप गए. उस गुफा में कुछ ऐसा था जिसके बारे में कोई नहीं जानता था. एक अनोखी शक्ति.
Somebody's statue is there
Yeah,
without head.
without head. It's reminding me of Kanishka. He also, like his statue was also did not have head. That's why nobody knows how he looks like.
The head is
Okay,
falling
head
down.
is falling down here. This creature I don't like. Oh, they came. These people are crazy.
छोड़ो, छोटी,
Kunji.
She got
जब वो
fainted.
बच्ची गुफा से बाहर आई तब उसके साथ कोई घटना घटी थी। उसे भी समझ में नहीं आ रहा था कि क्या हुआ है।
Okay, that bat beat her, right? After that only she
No, but
started
nobody
having
knows
something.
actually. It is saying, na?
Okay.
Nobody what has happened.
That is the same guy, right? Who
Yeah.
they got beaten like anything. What the hell? Oh man, what is this? It's terrifying.
They have hung.
It's cruelty at its peak.
Okay, you will fight with dogs first. Oh, easily he can kill
How
as well.
easily, they can kill a human being also, so dog is not
Oh, they're kidnapping,
nothing
killing,
for them.
organ
Trafficking, yes. So it's nothing for them.
ओए गुड मॉर्निंग।
छोटी भाग, छोटी भाग, भाग छोटी,
माँ
छोटी भाग जा, भाग जा, भाग, भाग छोटी।
छोड़ दो, छोड़ दो उसे। मैं कहता हूँ छोड़ दो उसे।
Man,
छोड़ दो मेरी बच्ची को।
so raw they are showing, man.
They're VFX they have used. What the? I can't see this. They don't have any mercy.
For kids also, they don't have any mercy.
How they have made this scene? This guy will be beaten like anything now. Ooh!
It's coming back to form.
एक बात बता, तो क्या सच में हमें नहीं जानती? तो अब जान जाएगी। मेरा भाई अभी यहाँ आएगा, उसके बाद क्या होगा जानती है? वो ना तेरे टुकड़े टुकड़े कर देगा। तेरी अकड़ के साथ साथ तेरा नामो निशान भी इस दुनिया से मिट जाएगा। ढूंढने पर भी ना सबूत नहीं मिलेगा। जिस हाथ से मुझे मारा था। रेडी है?
Oh man! Was that girl also woke up? Okay.
That is the same girl, I think.
She's the Chandra only. Oof. How much raw they are showing, man. Oof. Now she is going to fight back.
It is
They are gone. Finish.
unbelievable. Good job.
She is going to kill now everybody.
Oh man.
यक्षी
काली माँ
Now run.
Run.
Oof. They have made this girl to do a lot of actions. Wow.
Wow, the girl is
Fighting like
so good.
seriously. See, small kid fighting like anything.
She's
Wow.
unbelievable.
Oh, oh.
भाग जाओ जाओ
I thought he will run away,
I also thought
but no.
these people are so cruel. They will get killed, but they will kill. after-
Blood flashing execution.
wow.
Seriously, man. They have maintained some level at least. Oh,
What are we seeing? It's the best scene in the whole entire movie, I hope. This
goodness.
kid has owned my heart.
And here also. This guy will run away.
He's searching for his phone or what?
Whoa!
Finish.
She is having superpower. Oh. I was thinking where this guy went.
Oh man. Oh wow.
The mix there, Sonia.
भगवान ने तुम्हें कुछ शक्तियां दी है बेटा लेकिन मुझे नहीं पता कि वो क्या है हो सकता है भगवान ने तुम्हें उनके लिए बनाया है जो
I told you that that bat,
जैसे हम
that bats beat her. No, after that only she became like that. Her mother also did not have any idea.
Nobody, I mean, after that only. her presence,
Previously,
she was there.
previously
No?
she was not like that. She was a small kid, you know,
Correct.
normal kid only. But there some murti was there, no?
Yes, something has
Some
happened.
power
there.
has been transferred to her. I think so. She also doesn't have any clue. Her mother.
Yeah.
It's seeming like it's a long, long years, 100,000 years ago happened, right? So that girl only, who is 1,000 years old or what?
Yeah. Oh, vampire, no? We have heard a story. They live very long, for ages.
They don't die.
Ah,
They're immortal.
okay. The king
आखिर
is here.
किसने किया ये?
नीली कलियन काट की नीली
Kaliyan Kattu.
और इस तरह वो छोटी सी बच्ची नीली धीरे 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 एक बड़ी लड़की बन गई।
Oof, she's
That girl
सूर्य
only.
की रोशनी उसे बर्दाश्त नहीं होती, उसे रात पसंद है। उसके जितने भी करीबी इंसान थे सब उसे छोड़कर जाने लगे। फिर नीली यात्रा पर निकल पड़ी।
ओके।
नीली जब भी किसी नई जगह जाती है वो वहां के सबसे बुरे लोगों को ढूंढती है और उन्हें मारकर उनका खून पीती है। इसी के साथ जंगल के लोगों ने नीली को देवी मान लिया, लेकिन दूसरों के लिए वो थी यक्षी।
पापा आपको ये सब कैसे पता?
मुझे एक बुक मिली थी जो चर्च के प्रीस्ट ने लिखी है। उसी में ये सारी कहानियां हैं।
तो मतलब नीली सच में सुपर हीरो है?
एक तरह से कहा जाए तो हाँ, वो एक तरह की सुपर हीरो है और साथ ही नीली इमॉर्टल भी है।
I told you,
मतलब
they're
उसे
immortal.
मारना नामुमकिन है।
नीली कितनी लकी है।
वो इतनी भी लकी नहीं है। हर सुपर हीरो की कोई ना कोई कमजोरी होती है। एक समय की बात है, नीली को पकड़ने कोई आया था और उसे उसकी कमजोरी पता थी।
कौन था वो?
हाँ, एक कथनार।
Somebody knows her weakness.
Probably.
Oh,
बस बहुत हुआ। अब आप अपना पागलपन इसके दिमाग में और मत ठूसो। चलो उठो, जाकर
hey,
सो जाओ।
need to hear the full story. What has happened? She didn't allow us. Oh, this little girl
गुड नाइट।
in some kind of condition.
तो क्या नीली सचमुच मर गई?
नीली हमारे आसपास ही है और मैं उसे ढूंढूंगा।
Wow. There must be some more characters.
He is researching. BGM.
Wow.
The chorus kind of the song they have maintained.
That is
Perfect
so good,
match
actually.
to
Perfect match.
uplift her character.
True.
Right. It's looking beautiful. Great.
She's great, actually. She's her expression, everything.
Yeah, I think the way it needed
So
for this
good.
character.
Yeah.
Silent, but inside she is
Huh.
very strong.
Yeah. Oh man. He has seen a lot of things. It's two dead bodies.
Three.
मैं तुम्हें दो ऑप्शंस देती हूँ। ऑप्शन 1, मेरे साथ मिलकर इन बॉडीज को डिस्पोज कर दो।
ऑप्शन 2,
Be like them.
what?
Option 1 is fine.
क्या बात है वेनु?
हाँ?
सनी यहीं सो गया है।
कहाँ सोया है? और तुम कौन हो?
मैं हूँ वेनु, चंद्रा।
ओह,
उसे जगाऊं क्या? बहुत टायर्ड था तो सो गया।
सोने दो। ठीक है, सॉरी। वाह, मेरे शेर।
He didn't even know what is happening.
Correct. How they are going to dispose this body?
What is this?
Some kind of tower or big chimney
Huh.
in some industrial area kind of thing. It is like that only, some chimney. Oh, see, he's carrying like a pro. He's up there.
He's seeing all of this thing. His mouth is wide open.
What he's saying?
Awesome expression
this
he is
night.
also giving. Acid.
Said. Gone.
Oh my
Bodies
god.
are gone. No chances of these bodies are
Yeah.
getting alive back.
सुनो, क्या तुम उस दिन वहां थी जब वो कार टक्कर मारने आई थी?
हाँ,
Confirmed.
मुझे तो लगभग पता था कि तुम इंसान नहीं हो, लेकिन तुम हो कौन? मैंने तुम्हारे बड़े बड़े दांत देखे थे। क्या तुम सच में कोई चुड़ैल हो? हैं?
हाँ हूँ।
Oh man.
Oh, seriously, man.
This is so
relatable.
good
So
actually. This
man.
movie is something, like very
Yes.
interesting.
True.
And definitely like this guy's expression, I think he started feeling for this girl, right? But
Correct.
he didn't even know the true identity of that girl now.
True.
Every time he's
But
realizing.
yes, now the things
he
have
just-
changed for him as well. Right?
Yeah, he just lost his consciousness. Definitely, I think the more we will see, right, the more facts will get revealed because a lot of characters might come. Because yakshi है उसके साथ मतलब वो बोला ना एक priest है जो
yes, sir.
उसका weakness जानता है.
Right.
He will also appear, I think so. And that
And,
old man also is in search for that,
yes,
lady. Maybe he's some researcher or something like that.
Yes. So we have just
So,
covered half of the
ha-
movie,
half
and
of
half
the
of the
movie.
movie is still pending.
Correct. So
yes.
This movie is very interesting actually, very much interesting. We were not ready to take a pause, but as we are doing video, we had to, right?
Right.
But definitely we will again come with the next part reactions. So stay tuned for that. And if you're new to this channel, guys, please do subscribe us and also please click on the like button to like this video and share this video with your friends and family. See you in the next video. Till then,
Bye.